Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Technical Analysis with Akash. Uh, my name is Akash, obviously. You can follow me on Twitter at Mangeko with the zero at the end. If you click this link in my description, it's going to take you to my YouTube channel where you can hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any trades. Right, in this particular video, I put out a Bitcoin trade idea. I explained the thesis behind the idea and then I posted it on my Twitter so that you guys, if people that miss out on the video, can just go back to this thread and see how I traded, right? Yeah, so make sure to click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on these trade setups that I post on YouTube. Right, so today we're going to be taking a look at altcoins and how you can trade them, because I feel like a Bitcoin's done dumping for now and I feel like there's going to be a run up, right? As you can right, so I feel like we've sufficiently bottomed on a 1 hour time frame. We've collected the liquidity resting below the equal lows, and also the literally any liquidity present in 2021 has been collected right now. So I feel like there's going to be a minor retracement followed by a move into this range. So that's what I'm expecting, right? So this is retracement and the move up. I want to position you guys better so you can trade altcoins better in this upcoming leg up. But a lot of altcoins have like dropped quite a bit, and if you noticed yesterday, ApeCoin rallied roughly 43%, and then there was another coin, I'm not sure, I think it was Galaxy, the newly listed coin, right? So things are looking pretty good here for altcoins, and there's going to be an opportunity for you guys to trade, right? So let me just quickly let me just quickly go through what I am looking at. Right, so a lot of altcoins have been printing this structure, and it's like a perfect triple tap setup that is waiting to happen, right? So there's a lot of liquidity to the upside, which has literally been untapped because markets have been going down and down and down. So I feel like what's going to happen next is the price is going to come down, either tag the range low here and then go higher, collect liquidity above the range high. Depending on the higher time frame, resistance level is going to either hit the resistance level or just be done with its rally around here, right? So this is the first thing that I'm expecting. I see this on a lot of altcoins, right? So let me just quickly show you a couple of altcoins as an example, right? As you can see here, Avax is doing extremely similar stuff. We've literally not collected liquidity above these highs, these highs, these highs, and there is a possibility of a, I think, yep, this is an equal high, right? So the possibilities are literally endless. So what I'm expecting is for Avax to sweep this and then move high. So the problem with this particular setup is the price could prematurely start rallying. So it's better to watch Bitcoin to get some sort of a signal as to if the altcoins are going to actually retest this level here, range low, or if it's going to go higher. Like, let me give you another example. Right, look at Dydx, pretty much the same setup you're seeing on Avax. Right now, let's take a look at ENS. Exactly similar, right? There's a little bit of difference. Instead of, like, a lot of altcoins have done this after this, and this is where they are, but ENS is already moved above this range, and now it's collected liquidity above this high. Now it's going to aim for this. I think this is where it's going to end, but there's a really good setup that I wanted to show you guys on ENS, which is why I kind of planned on doing this video first, because there is a bearish breaker here. Price formed a higher high, and the demand zone in between those higher highs was breached, and that since then there was at least one retest here. As you can see, this retest was really good, 1 and 2, but I feel like there's going to be another run up to this level here at 16 and then a breakdown, right? So if I do catch a really good long here for ENS, I'm probably going to hold it. I'm not going to close it at 12, probably hold it up to $16, which would be a really good run up if it happens. But I kind of feel like that's not going to happen. There's going to be a lot of chop coming around. So let's see what happens, right? So if I were to trade ENS, I would, I think there's a really good confluence at 62, right? So I'm going to be longing ENS around here. And if, I don't know, from a conservative standpoint, I feel like this is a really good place to book profits. Well, let me just, yeah, I think well, with 34% upswing, a little ambitious, obviously a little ambitious, but I feel like it's possible considering the way the cryptocurrencies are positioned. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today. I'm gonna be doing a separate Bitcoin video update in a few, but the thing is altcoins are really going to explode considering Bitcoin's and rallying. So make sure to keep an eye out for altcoins. Like since we're trading the setup, right, I think it's really important for you guys to keep an eye out for higher time frame supports as well. For example, the one over here right now at 12.58 it was a really good range low that was formed before the crash, right? So going back to this setup over here, I think trying to book profits around here would be a little greedy considering how we have the previous range low at 12.5 here. So I think looking, even though we're on a 15-minute time frame, I think the 4-hour and the 1-day time frame resistance levels and support levels are really going to matter. So just keep an eye out for that. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. This is how you trade this really reoccurring setup that I'm looking at on a lot of altcoins right now. So if you enjoy this kind of analysis, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. And if you have any questions or doubts or feedbacks and that kind of stuff, you can always like leave any comments in the comment section, or you can just come here on Twitter and like write a tweet at me, right? You can follow me on Twitter at Mangeko with a 0 at the end. Have a great day. Peace.